Unique Tracks is proud to introduce the Impact Series, a collection of 4 volumes that feature high-impact elements for radio, television, games, and multimedia productions. With over 1,300 effects in more than 100 categories, this library of unique and comprehensive elements will give your company the edge to survive in today's tough market. Volume 1, Radio Impacts, features 367 energetic and to-the-point effects in 25 categories, like station IDs, bumpers, communication transmissions, distortions, radio hits, and more. Volume 2, Television Impacts, provides 305 Don't Change That Dial effects in 23 categories. There's statics, sweeps, whooshes, hits, explosions, and stuff you can't find in other libraries. Volume 3, Game Impacts, packs a wallop with 235 bone-crushing, hard-hitting, and technical effects in 40 categories. Volume 4, Multimedia Impacts, boasts 454 clicks, buttons, chimes, and flash gears in 21 categories. This collection has what it takes to give your production the sonic energy it needs to compete in today's aggressive market. It's stuff you'll need and stuff you'll use. From Unique Tracks.